Cities are often called concrete jungles where buildings, roads, and cars dominate. But we need nature. Green spaces like parks and gardens provide refuge, offering a break from the noise and pollution. Having grass, plants, and trees around our homes is crucial. It brings nature closer to our daily lives. Imagine a city block without a single tree. The air feels hotter, dustier. The sounds of traffic seem louder. Now picture that same block with trees lining the street. You can feel the difference. The air is cooler, fresher. The trees soften the city's harsh edges. This is the power of green spaces. Plants are natural air purifiers. They absorb carbon dioxide, a major pollutant, and release oxygen, which we need to breathe. Trees, with their larger size, are particularly effective. They filter out dust, smoke, and other harmful particles, improving air quality, especially in polluted urban areas. Think of a time you walked through a forest. The air felt clean and fresh. Trees were working their magic, filtering the air. We can recreate this effect in our neighborhoods. By planting trees and shrubs, we create mini forests. These green spaces help us breathe easier, literally. Green spaces impact our health. Studies show that being in nature reduces stress. Gardening, for example, can be therapeutic. It connects us to the earth and its rhythms. The physical activity of gardening is beneficial too. It improves our mood and overall well-being. Imagine stepping outside your door into a green oasis. You take a deep breath of fresh air. The scent of flowers fills you with a sense of calm. This is the power of nature's therapy. It's readily available when we surround ourselves with green spaces. Grass, plants, and trees support biodiversity. They provide habitats for birds, insects, and other wildlife. Native plants are especially important. They have adapted to local conditions over time. They provide the best food and shelter for native wildlife. Imagine a garden filled with a variety of native plants. Bees buzz from flower to flower, collecting pollen. Birds flit through the branches, singing their songs. This is a thriving ecosystem, right in your backyard. By choosing native plants, we support the web of life around us. Green spaces contribute to sustainable living. Trees provide shade, reducing the need for air conditioning. This saves energy and lowers electricity bills. Plants and trees also help manage rainwater runoff. Their roots absorb water, preventing flooding and soil erosion. Now imagine a neighborhood designed with green spaces in mind. Houses have green roofs covered in plants. Rainwater is collected and used for irrigation. This is a community living in harmony with nature, reducing its environmental impact. Green spaces foster a sense of community. Community gardens bring people together. Neighbors work side by side, growing food and sharing knowledge. Parks provide spaces for recreation and social interaction. They become gathering places for families and friends. Imagine a sunny afternoon in a neighborhood park. Children are playing, their laughter filling the air. Families are having picnics under the shade of trees. This is a community connected by nature, enjoying the benefits of shared green spaces. Green spaces have a cooling effect on their surroundings. This is especially important in cities, which tend to be hotter than surrounding areas. Trees and plants provide shade and release moisture into the air, creating a more comfortable microclimate. Imagine a city dotted with green oases, parks, gardens, and tree-lined streets. These green spaces act like cool sponges, absorbing heat. They create pockets of relief from the urban heat island effect. We can all contribute to a greener environment. Plant a tree in your yard. Start a small garden on your balcony. Support local parks and green initiatives. Even small actions make a difference. Collectively, they create a significant impact. Imagine millions of people each planting one tree. The impact on our planet would be enormous. Every small action, multiplied many times over, contributes to a greener, healthier future. Creating green spaces around our homes is an investment. It's an investment in our health, our community, and our planet. By embracing nature, we create a more sustainable and fulfilling way of life. Imagine a world where every home is a green oasis, a world where children grow up surrounded by nature. This is the future we can create by making green spaces a priority. The legacy we leave behind is shaped by our actions today. By planting trees, creating gardens, and supporting green initiatives, we leave a legacy of environmental stewardship. We create a healthier, more beautiful world for generations to come. Imagine the sun setting on a world where nature and cities coexist in harmony. This is the future we can create together. Let's make our homes, our communities, and our planet greener, one green space at a time.